My name is Carly Ewing, and this is my Nursing 2040 Community Health Nursing Windshield Survey video. As you can see in the video, as we travel through one of Gina's more prominent neighborhoods, these individuals appear to be financially stable and also are always able to have access to healthcare services if they need them, and they're able to meet the needs of their family, which means that they have lower health disparities. We're currently driving down Gina's area where the less wealthy, more economically unstable population live. These individuals sometimes don't have as much access to healthcare as the prominent neighborhoods do, so they suffer from more comorbidities. They don't have insurance, so getting these populations help that they need is very important for Gina, because if we can educate them, then we have the chance of reducing the risk of comorbidities and disease processes among this population. One of the many roads that Gina, Louisiana has that is in need of maintenance. As you can see, the road has cracks and bumps and has holes that needs maintenance as well. Gina has no form of public transportation for its residents. Residents have to rely on individuals such as family members or friends to take them to and from doctor's appointment. At our LaSalle Parish Health Unit Center here in Gina, Louisiana, services that they includes pregnancy testing, STD testing, help with new mothers who are expecting babies, their postpartum. They also help with that as well, blood testing, immunizations. So also here, the great thing about this program is that it offers support to patients who may not be able to afford health insurance. So they come here, it's free of charge, they're able to get the health information that they need. Also here in LaSalle Parish, we have our hospital, LaSalle General. We have our LaSalle Family Medicine Clinic. We also have 2 nursing homes. We also have our urgent care and a physical rehab center. Triangle Pharmacy here in Gina, Louisiana. Triangle Pharmacy is one of the pharmacies that we have here in Gina that provides our population with accesses to their prescription medications. These prescription medications can be used to control the disease process that we talked about that is affecting this population, such as obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. Alright, we're currently outside of our Counseling on Agent Center here for our residents in Gina, Louisiana. The Counseling on Agency helps provide our elderly population with resources such as help with paying bills, transportation to and from doctor's appointments if they call ahead and they set up the information they need for these doctor's appointment. Gina Walmart serves as one of the main grocery stores here in Gina, Louisiana that provides our residents with groceries, basic utilities that they need to carry out life functions. Also, for our Walmart is one of the major employers of our people here in Gina, Louisiana. Our residents actually find employment here because of the job opportunities are very scarce around Gina. Walmart also offers insurance benefits, 401ks, and also provides a structured job for these individuals to eventually work up and become managers. We are currently sitting in the parking lot of McDonald's here in Gina. As you can see, we have the Popeyes, the Subway, and the Sonic. One of the major things that we have in Gina is, you can see by evidence, is major fast food industry. We don't have many options for healthy foods besides our Subway, which leads to our patient population, as we discussed in our essays this semester, is obesity, type 2 diabetes. Outside of our Gina Fire Department, our Gina Fire Department serves as fire and rescue for our population here. They cover the whole range of Gina. If there's a fire or if there's a situation such as a wreck where somebody needs assistance in helping get out of the wreck, they would be able to call them and provide assistance for our residents. Residents also have access to AT&T here in Gina, Louisiana, where AT&T provides cell phone services, cell phones. They also provide our residents with internet access so that they can communicate. We're going to be looking at our Gina Police Department here in town. The police department serves as the protection for our people. They help with minor things to major things. Minor things being making sure our residents are safe and secure, also helping locking up local businesses at night, and major things would be like theft, in case we have some criminal cases too. We're going to be looking at one of our billboards here in Gina, Louisiana. We currently have about 6 of them, but this is one advertising medical help for our residents here. This is one that has clear medical information. It's not big fancy words. It's very easy for our population to read and understand that, hey, if you need medical help, this is something that you should seek out. It's very appealing to our population. It has the main information that our patients need to seek out help. Outside of our Gina High School here in Gina, Louisiana, Gina residents have access through public school for grades pre-K through 12th grade. Our school system is broken down into 4 schools. We have our elementary school, our middle school, our junior high school, and then our high school. Our school system is currently rated a negative school. The system is great because it provides our students with the opportunity to have literacy in order to understand disease processes, to understand education on how to manage those disease processes. It also provides our residents, once they graduate from our high school, to pursue secondary education such as college, university, or a trade school. Alright, so we're currently at the Gina Park. This is the main central park that we have here in Gina. Behind me you can see our amphitheater where we hold community events such as Easter in the Park that I talked about in my papers, and we also have Howdy Neighbor Day. We also have our walking trail. You can see that it stretches around our park. It's about a mile long for our residents to use at their convenience. Over here we have our park. It has various exercise equipment for our children. Also, it promotes a healthy environment for our children to reduce the comorbidities that is very present in this community. In conclusion, social determinants of health greatly impact the well-being of the individuals in Gina, Louisiana. Limited access to health care, healthy foods, and education contributes to higher rates of cardiovascular disease, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. Addressing these factors is essential to improving the health outcomes and promoting a long-term wellness in the community.